Come at me, bro.
You fucking with me?
Come at me,
What do you
bro.
got? You want to fuck with me? Let's do this. You want it?
Come at me, bro.
What? Do it. Can't believe you're fucking with me, man.
Come at me, bro.
Come on. Fucking open it. Damn right I got knives here, getting feisty. All right, here with Mr. Tim Soti.
What's up, fools?
Paul and Tim, do it again. All right.
So,
what's going on, dude?
Not much. Feeling pretty good. Glad to be here again.
Mm-hmm. It's been a moment.
Let's talk about what we're covering today.
California legal automatics.
My nails are filthy, oh my god. Well, I was in your backyard throwing knives, so I have an excuse. California band we're listening to right now.
Yeah.
Klikatatkatawi.
We'll talk about that a little later towards the end of the episode.
But that's what you're listening to.
Yeah.
Is the edible kicking in?
Yeah.
Sorry. I shouldn't have done that.
No, it's okay.
Because it kind of is kicking in for me too.
We both got some California legal autos. Tim, why don't you show us what you got?
Let's explain the law first. In California, you can carry a switchblade as long as the blade is under 2 inches. If it's 2 inches or over, it's illegal. But all these have like 1.9, 1.75 blades. This just was released, and it's really reasonably, it's like 60 bucks. It's the Boker USB, because check it out, it looks just like a freaking
thumb drive.
USB thumb drive. I was threatening Paul with this earlier. D2 steel, aluminum handle. It looks like you could actually take it apart and oil it if you needed to. You can just carry it around in your shirt pocket. It's super light. It's my fidget knife. You know, it's one of my fidget knives. Play with
Cool.
it.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
While you pull out another one, what else you got there? Oh yeah, this has a little thud to it, a hollow sound a bit.
Yeah, I would say it's not a Microtech. Why don't you show your Microtech? Yeah.
Okay, so my new knife that I got not so long ago, but 2 or 3 months that I've had this, and I've just yet to do a review on it. The Microtech UTX70-CA, which means California legal. And this thing is amazing.
It's got a
double-edged
dagger
blood grooves through the middle, holes, M390 steel. Really amazing, little, super strong and sharp. They take these things and hammer them through 2x4s, and then they work after.
Microtech is the premier company of out the front knives, at least.
Like that one has no ring to it, I've noticed. This one you can feel it resonating afterwards.
The what they call the actuator is way smoother on this than that one.
Yeah, this
I
one's
mean,
like
but you pay for it with this because this is like over $200 or something.
$250, and I had some credit and got it for $150, and that's why I jumped on it.
I felt this blade is insanely sharp.
Yes. It opens up vinyl records perfectly. Pocket clip and a glass breaker.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so if you had to break some glass, you just... This thing just hides in my pocket so well, and I've been carrying it every day since I got it, along with another knife. I carry 2 knives. This is always there, and then I switch out the other one.
Let me show you the one I've been carrying every day. This thing is excellent. I'm glad I spent a little money on it. It's a ProTech Calmigo. aluminum handle. It's a 154 cm blade. I really like the blade shape. I carry it around and I'll just pull it out in the kitchen and like use it for anything, like cheese.
Any excuse to use the knife.
Yeah, any excuse you really use it. But it's so handy and it's very sharp.
That one I noticed is really good quality. You can tell like when that one, there's no flaws in the opening or deployment of that.
Yeah, and you can open and close with one hand very easily. It's so fidgetable that you can just sit here and like, do that over and over again.
It's kind of snappy like the other California legal I have, which is the Kershaw.
Yeah,
and I got it in teal, and it's super snappy.
You can't
like
get those
that.
anymore.
Yeah, they're hard to get, these.
I haven't seen one.
It's super snappy, and I love the shape of that blade, the way it looks. It always sticks into the table every time you do it.
Let me try this.
See?
It bounces.
Now try this one. See?
So this is 154 cm, and that is
CPM 154.
And I felt it was pretty sharp. You know how I have to run my finger on the blade every time.
Oh yeah.
Anyway.
You got another California legal. What do you got?
So before I got this, Calmigo is so good that I had to replace this other one. I was carrying around this one. This is called the Boker Stubby Strike. And I got the copper blade with the sort of...
That one just looks so cool.
I like this kind of... It's really got a good handle.
That's what I noticed.
And look at the ergos on that.
Yeah, when I held that one, I was like, this has actually a really good grip.
You can kind of get a four-finger grip with that,
with
that lanyard, yeah. And it's D2 steel. It's also very fidgetable. You can just sit here and open and close it forever.
This one, I like the pocket clip.
Oh, yeah.
It's like almost the full length of the knife.
Yeah, that's great.
They didn't bother putting a shorter one or something. They just kept it long. I kind of like that.
That's cool.
These are all the California legals. Circle thing.
Come at me, bro.
Yeah. Does that feel better?
So much more relaxing.
I can breathe now. They're all good in different ways, from their price to their quality.
Full disclosure, this was 120 bucks.
Okay. $250 here.
This was like under $60. This was 47 bucks or something. This is the Boker Stubby Strike.
This one you can find for, what was it, 80 bucks?
That's a much better knife than, say, this. You just get what you pay for when it comes to knives.
Yeah, like the Microtech is $250, which seems outrageous, but the quality is outrageous. Come on.
Yeah, that is as sharp as any premium knife you would ever buy. It's a really good blade. And you said you carry it every day. You just fell in love with it, right?
Look at it. It's all scratched and scraped and dinged
Yeah,
up.
look at this crazy wear on this. It's nice.
Yeah. All right, what about some other automatics?
Well, we bought some non-legal ones that I bought. This is a popular out the front that's kind of in the budget realm. It's like under $50. It's the AKG F16. A lot of people have heard of this one. It's got this sort of grip tape on here, which actually works really well to give you some purchase on it. But,
That's a sick looking blade. That's a
it's this is the bayonet blade.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is very functional too. I was carrying this just around the house, obviously, because it's not illegal to carry it outside. But I was using it for all kinds of shit. It was under $50, and
That's awesome.
for like, it's actually a pretty sharp blade. It's like 440A steel, which isn't the greatest. It's really sharp. It got me once.
I have another Microtech here out the front. This is the UTX75 in blackout. This thing is pretty amazing. It's all blacked out, the screws, everything, and you see the silver there, just barely. This is UTX85. The blade steel is M390. Amazing.
This is another auto that is not legal in California because of our stupid laws. It's the Boker Kalashnikov Warhawk model. It's got this nice deep carry pocket clip here. The handle is aluminum. The steel is AUS 8. You can deploy it and close it with one hand. It's kind of ridiculous. It's a beater. This thing is like $40. It's just, you know, odd. It's not the greatest steel, but you can sharpen it easily.
I like the colors of that. Like
Yeah,
the
I like that
design
yellow
is fun.
button a lot.
It's fun.
I love
You've
it.
worn it the heck out. Jeez.
Yeah, I play with this all the time.
I like the red clip too. It's cool.
Yeah, the red clip isn't bad.
One I got here is another Microtech. Right here, purple guy. LUDT Microtech M390 steel again.
This is insane.
So this is Underwater Demolition Team. What do you think the L stands for? You would think lightweight underwater
Right.
demolition team. It's
Large underwater.
because it's a large knife,
Yeah, it is. I mean,
but it's not lightweight necessarily.
that one has one of the best handles I've ever had.
All right, man. Shoot, we've been listening to Katawi, orchestrated and conducted by Katawi. This came out on Gravity Records from San Diego. Great band. I don't know what year this was. Do you know? Let's take a guess and then look it up on your phone.
All right, how many albums did they even put out?
Double guess here. How many albums do they put out? What year did this one come out? So my guess for this one is 96. And then
I'm gonna say 95. 95.
I'm saying 96. And I'm gonna say that they put out 3 records.
Yeah, they released stuff from 94 to 97. They're from San Diego, where we are right now. It's bonus.
Oh, bonus what?
This is my Olight. It takes one AA battery and it has 300 lumens, which is like more than enough. And it's got a 2-way pocket clip, so you can clip it on your hat.
I'm drinking Luponic.
So this came out in 1996. You were correct.
Oh man, I was right. Okay.
It looks like they put out an EP and a live album.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I mean, Mario's probably gonna be laughing watching this, but
Don't you worry about Mario, okay?
yeah.
Mario's fucking fine. All right.
I don't want to disappoint him. The live album, and it was a '95 concert. It came out in '97, however. There was a single or an EP called River of Souls,
Yeah, I remember that.
and that came out in '98. I thought they had more than one LP though.
I guess I just remember having 3 different vinyls of theirs.
I remember being pretty blown away by it, especially Mario's drumming.
Yeah.
It was kind of a big part of it.
Cool. Awesome record, man. Great memories. I remember seeing this band several times in like house parties and different Che Cafe.
I never got to see them, but I think they came up to Santa Cruz once.
Awesome record with a cool insert. Great photo of them playing live.
Yeah.
Lyrics. Matt was always a great frontman because he had the dance. He kind of had he was a smart guy. Smart, you know, he was like the nerd lead singer.
He had the smart approach.
Yeah, he had the smart approach, and man, it was hot.
It was hot. It was like sex appeal.
Well, yeah, well, smart is hot.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Smart is. I like intelligence over looks, definitely.
That's where we fucking bombed out in the deal because we didn't get either. No intelligence, no looks, man. But we are good hand models.
Come at me, bro.
All right, let's set this aside. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. This is damnrIgotKnives and Tim Soti signing out. Adios, amigos. Keep it unlegal. Legal but unlegal.